Hello everyone, this is the Amazon sold lockpicking set, basically a training lockpicking set. Sells for about £17, or at least when I bought it was about £17 on Amazon, and comes with the lockpicks and 2 training locks, these things. There is also an instruction manual, which I've already lost, but it didn't really say a lot. It was a lot of very badly written English, so, you know, converted from Chinese or some other language to English. So it comes with 2 nice, fairly nice cases with the 2 training locks in them. And a nice case with all the lock picks and tensioners, tension wrenches, whatever you want to call them. So you get, yeah, very nice case with a see-through lock in it, which shows you all of the pins and, oh, if I can get the phone to focus, come on, the pins and how the lock works. So there you go. See if I can get it to focus on that even better. So there you go. Yes, the brand of them is Eventronic as well. So let's give it a go picking it. So I have already done this. It did take me longer the first time that I did it. I'm going to use this pick here. And the smallest of the tension wrenches. Oops, wrong way up. So tension wrench goes in. Do need to be aware of which way this turns. If I use the reel key, it will only turn, if I try and turn it anti-clockwise, it just doesn't turn. If you can only turn it clockwise. Yep, smallest of the tension wrenches in, and let's see if I can get some decent focus and decent light on it. Literally just going to push the pick in and wiggle it around. There we go. Let's do that one more time. So this one's a very easy lock. I don't even need to look at the pins to do it. And then see if I can do it while you can see what's going on with the pins. The easiest thing to get wrong with this lock is putting too much tension on the tensioner and you can't move the pins. So you don't really need to put a lot of tension on it. So let's see if I can do this while you can see the pins. There we go, that's it. Done. So now I've mastered that one, it's a little bit trivial. The next one, I'm not even sure, even if I can see the pins, whether I'll be able to do it very quickly. So that first training lock, the 2 keys are exactly the same. So if you lose one, it's not a problem. With this lock, it comes with 2 keys and they are different. So if you lose one, there's also 2 keyways. If you lose one of those keys, or if you lose both, you know, they're different. So put that one in there. That one is not for that side of the lock. And again, if I put this in this side of the lock, not for that side. If I swap them over, that one turns that side, and that one, I can get it to go into the lock. Yep, there we go. Turns that side. So I did use, when I was playing about with these the other day, a different pick. I'm pretty sure it was that one and that tensioner. So let's see whether I can do this on camera and stay within shot and within the light that's available. So the pick that I'm using is that pick there. And I found, depending on which side, I think it's this side, the easiest problem with this side is oversetting one of the pins, where it goes too deep and then won't go back to where the shear line is, or where the crossover point is. Well, I think I've got that one, that one, that one set, and then the end one, so it's just the second from the end, and I think... Is that it? Nope. There we go. So that's that side picked. There's probably, because these are training locks, there's probably quite a lot of tolerance in it. I'm yet to try these tools on my on the locks around my house. It'll be very interesting to see whether the skills that I've learnt on this transfer over to those locks. So trying the other side, which is slightly different. Oh, well, I say slightly different. It took me even less time to do that one than it did the other side, which has less pins. Fewer pins, maybe. So let's try that again. I think it's because the default set on these, it looks like that one, and that one are already basically unlocked anyway, so you've just got to unlock the end one and the second from this end. So go in, end one is set. Oh yeah, and just by the lie of the pick, it seems like it sets the second from end one anyway. So yeah, particularly easy, but yeah, quite fun. I'm definitely looking forward to challenging my friends to see whether they can open, especially the padlock one. That's definitely interesting. See whether they can open the padlock. But for £17, if you're looking for a present for somebody who's vaguely into, well, I wouldn't really say breaking and entering, because it's not really. It's more the puzzle of how these things work. Yeah, really good. Definitely recommend that particular set.